Tips for a great Facebook Live event. Once you have committed to using Facebook Live as a great marketing tool for your business and brand, it is very important that you use it in the most effective way to maximize your chances of generating leads and making sales. People that watch your Facebook Live events are going to judge you on how well you come across and the quality of the video. So, we have some tips for you to follow here to provide the best Facebook Live event that you can. These tips are easy to follow and implement, so please use them all. 1. Natural lighting. If your face is not clear on your Facebook Live video, then you will drive people away. There have been a lot of Facebook Live videos published where the lighting was clearly wrong and the host was out of focus or the light was just too bright. One of the biggest mistakes that people make with their Facebook Live recordings is that they position themselves with their back to a window. When you do this, the sunlight coming in from the window will dominate the video image, which you want to avoid at all costs. So, the first step here is to face the window if you're recording during the daytime, as the natural light will really enhance the video image. You as the host will be clear in the video, which is what you want. If you are a glasses wearer, then consider taking these off as they can cause a distracting glare. 2. Create as many practice recordings as you need. This is especially important if you have never hosted a live streaming event before. When you create practice videos, you can go over them afterwards and see what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong. You can check the quality of the video for lighting. If there are shadows or too much brightness or darkness, you can change your environment to improve these aspects. Also check that the audio is crisp and clear. Are you too loud or too quiet? It can be quite daunting to watch yourself presenting for the first time, but after a while, you will get over this. Check to see if your video flows nicely and that you come across as friendly. With practice videos, you can iron out the bumps before you go live. 3. Record horizontally with mobile. If you're going to use a mobile device to record your Facebook Live event, then we strongly recommend that you record horizontally. Those vertically recorded videos just don't look good, and you need to remember that your viewers will have to put up with this for however long your event lasts. Horizontally recorded videos look much better in a Facebook feed. The other thing that you can do with your mobile device is to add a nice filter and use other tools to enhance the video quality. If you have the option of using a desktop or laptop with a high-quality webcam and microphone instead of a mobile device, we will always recommend that you do this. 4. Be human. Don't miss out on the opportunity to form a great human connection with your Facebook Live events. Tell your audience some interesting things about your life and try to keep the event on a personal level as much as you can. Make sure that any personal details you reveal are positive. Nobody is going to want to listen to you complaining about how bad your life is unless you are doing this for comedic effect. Your audience have enough problems of their own to deal with, let alone listening to yours. 5. Smiling is a must. If you have a miserable or too serious face on when you make your Facebook Live recordings, then you will drive people away faster than you can believe. You need to smile as much as possible when you are on camera, as this will make your audience feel happy about watching you. Learn to speak with a smile too. If your speech is unfriendly or monotone, then people will become bored very quickly and probably leave. You want to energize your viewers with your personality and inspire them. If it is relevant, tell your audience how you overcame specific obstacles and give them the confidence that they can do it too. 6. Ask for interaction. Always bear in mind that Facebook loves posts that have a lot of views, comments, likes, and shares, and will prioritize these in news feeds. Facebook has tweaked their algorithm to recognize content that is popular and help you make it even more popular for free. So, ask your viewers to interact with you. Ask your viewers to ask questions in the comment section and also ask them to like and share your event. You can drive more interaction by having a competition or a giveaway where your audience needs to make comments to win. As you are making your presentation, ask your audience questions. This helps you to check that they are understanding your message and also gives your interactivity a good boost. Make it as simple as possible for viewers to respond. Don't ask questions that require a long answer. 7. Put your mistakes to good use. You are going to make mistakes recording a live event. As you become more experienced, you will probably make fewer mistakes, but they are going to happen. If you get a bit tongue-tied, then don't fall to pieces. Laugh at this with your audience and move on. People watching a live event are not expecting perfection. In fact, some of them look forward to the mistakes because they provide a fun break. So you need to learn to embrace your Facebook Live mistakes and keep going with your presentation no matter what has happened. When you make a mistake, it underlines the fact that you are human just like your viewers. Nobody is going to hate you for making mistakes. Mistakes can add personality to your event, so accept them and keep going. 8. Get help with questions. If you are expecting high viewing numbers with your event, then you should line up some help with the questions you will receive. It can be very tough trying to make your presentation and having to read and answer questions as you are doing this. So, we recommend that you have another person read the comments and reply to them. Obviously, this person needs to know what they are talking about, so that they can answer any questions correctly. When your audience asks a question, be sure to call them out by their first name. This will help you to create an even stronger connection with your audience. The people that ask the questions will feel good that you called them out, and it will encourage others to ask questions too. 9. Have a call to action at the end. It is essential that you ask your Facebook Live viewers to do something at the end of your event. So, think about what you want your viewers to do once your event is over. Do you want them to join your email list or check out an offer that you have at the moment? Whatever you want them to do, be sure and tell them. If you don't tell them what to do, then the likelihood is that they will do nothing. You can add a link under your video, so tell them to click on this and take the necessary action. Always thank your viewers for watching your live event at the end. 10. Add a custom thumbnail. When you add a compelling thumbnail to your Facebook Live event, you should persuade more people to attend. Once your event goes live, your thumbnail is the most prominent thing that people will see. After your live event, your recorded video will appear on your Facebook page. You can then edit this post, and this is the time to add your compelling thumbnail. Facebook will choose an image from your event if you don't do this, which will probably not be as compelling as you would want it to be. 11. Add captions to your event video. If you add captions to your event video, then you should attract a lot more viewers. Sometimes people will see your video in their newsfeed, but it will not be convenient for them to watch as it is late at night or they are outside in a noisy environment. A lot of people tend to watch Facebook videos without sound these days, so providing captions is a must. You can create your own SRT file for your captions, or you can have Facebook generate them automatically. Always check that your captions match what is being said in your event video. 12. Pin your video post. By pinning your event video post, you can make it appear at the top of your Facebook page. This is a good way to get more eyeballs on your video and people to watch the recording. Visitors to your page are always going to see what is on top, so take advantage of this. 13. Consider boosting your event video. If you are happy with the way things turned out with your Facebook Live event, you can pay for a post boost once the recording is on your Facebook page. You will be able to specify your audience using a number of different factors, such as age range, gender, location, interests, and more. Get an embed link for your recorded event video and use this on your website or blog and other social media accounts to drive more traffic to it. Never believe that after you have recorded your live event that your work is done. It has only just started. 14. Use Facebook Analytics. A few days after your event, you need to check out the insights on Facebook for your event video to see how well it did or didn't do. You will see all of the usual video metrics such as numbers of unique views, comments, likes, shares, average time watched, and so on. As this was a Facebook Live video, there will be additional metrics as well, such as the peak number of views, average view time, the reach of the video, and demographic information. Use all of this information to make improvements in your next Facebook Live event. In the next video, we will discuss the new Facebook Live features for 2020.